The limited edition David Bowie Blackstar is an ultra-modern and features very special packaging, in the shape of vinyl and ready to be used as decoration. This very special box includes technical and design explanations of all the details of the piece, and it also contains a certificate of authenticity and images of the artist. Designed in the futuristic visual style of the album, both the cap, trim, and clip are made from ruthenium-plated black brass, while the body and custom section are carved from high-density black acrylic. It is available in rollerball and fountain pen, with all surface adorned with grids, glyphs, and diamond and laser etched motifs created by the designer Jonathan Barnbrook. This limited edition is made up of 801 pieces, 1 to 401 in fountain pen and 402 to 801 in roller.